Said that's not a good combination for me. She said that combination for me is really terrible.
Nice.
Can't ask for a better start for this one for Madison Keys. Up 3-love.
The start that she had in her previous match, learning from that, and has made the adjustment here. Against a similar style of player in Svitolina. Keys has been very solid in a little touch shot here. That's an added level.
You'd expect the fourth seed to do that. Wow. Good wheels for Svitolina to catch up to that.
It was, and finally Svitolina gets a little bit of good luck, gets the net cord, but had to hustle to get up to that one. This wasn't a gimme.
You think Madison had a chance to play that?
Nicely done by Svitolina here in this tiebreaker, down 5-love, and this is a beauty. Great step for her.
Yeah.
Get to a semifinal or a final.
Oh, what a shot by Keys.
Than she had in her last match, seeing the ball very early, moving well, and
you're in New York.
great point. He's taking a break from the straight power, showing a little craftiness, but Svitolina does her one better.